Hello guys, welcome back to Sister TV, and I'm going to show you how to make this ladder bracelet. Let me just fix it up for you. There. Okay, so this is what it looks like usually in videos. So you may also need an extension, because if you don't have any extension, it will look something like this. So let's get started. First thing you need is your loom, your hook, and that's it. So first step, your loom should look like this, just as normal as usual. Okay, so now first step, make sure the arrow is pointing outwards from you. Since I'm going to do it this way, my arrows will be pointing that way. So your arrows should be pointing outwards from you first. Wait. And we are going to start layering from this peg to this peg. So I am going to choose random colors. So wait for a minute. So I'm going to use this blue for my borders. Okay, the borders is actually this one which holds it. And then I'm going to use my orange for the ladder. And then I'm going to use the pink for the inside. Okay, so now we are going to start layering from this middle peg to this left hand as usual, like starburst. So before you do this, you must learn how to make starbursts. Wait, so I'm going to use this color, and you may want to push it down. And then you're going to put it upwards. Wait, I'll show you. You're going to put it upwards, like this. You're going to go straight till the end right over here. Wait, yeah, right over here. And lastly, here. So your loom should look something like this. Then now, you're going to put from this left peg to this middle top peg. There. Then you're going to start from the beginning. We're going to start from the beginning and do that same thing again, from this middle peg until this right first peg, and then going straight up ahead to the end. So if you are not still in this point, go ahead and pause the video. So now your loom should look something like this. Wait. you're still going to face your peg, your arrows pointing outwards from you. But now we are going to work on at the middle part. So which is, I'm going to use this pinky one. I'm going to use this pink one. So now let's get started. So you're going to put this pink one, your pink middle one, from this peg until this last middle peg, like this. So you're never ever going to put it at the sides. Okay, so guys, if you're not still at this point, just keep pausing the video up. There, so I've stopped, and now it should look something like this. So you're just going to pause the video if you're not yet here. Okay, so now we are going to put the ladders, which is this one, which I'm going to use my orangey. So pay attention, guys, now. So you should not put the ladder at this first two pegs. You're going to skip the first two line peg, and then you're going to go on to this second two line peg. Wait. And then you're just going to continue that. But now you're going to skip your middle pegs. Remember, just now we skipped the side pegs. Now we are going to skip the middle pegs. So just keep doing that ladder till the end. There. So your loom should look like this. I know I have different colors of oranges. If you're not yet at this point, just pause the video. Okay, so yeah, it looks something like this. So this two peg should be skipped. Then this peg, it's okay, you can put it. Now, since we're going to do the hooking process, the question is, how are you going to hook the middle one? You know how? You're going to take one rubber band which relates to the color of your border, and you're going to do a triple cat band. Wait, 1, 2, and 3. There. So now we are going to start the hooking process. Okay. So first step, we're going to take our hook. Okay. So all of this supplies is from rainbowloom.com as usual. So I actually like to use metal hook, but I also have plastic hooks. But I know this plastic hook is fake, but it's okay. I got the wrong one. Okay, so first step, Okay, so first step, you're going to grab your hook as usual, and then you're going inside your cat band, and you're going to grab your middle rubber band up. Then you're going to press your cat band down so that it doesn't bring it up. Then you're going to do this. You're going to hook it upwards so it should look like a teardrop. If it doesn't, you're going to do this. You're going to pull this one like that. If it still doesn't work, it means your placing of it's wrongly. So you're going to do the same thing, going inside, but the middle one is very, very easy, very, very easy. I'm going to grab it up, there, grab it up, and grab it up and grab it up and there. Okay guys, at this point, you see one of my rubber band it like this. So it's basically easy. So you're just going to do like this. Make sure there are 2 rubber bands at this side, and you're going to put it down, and 2 rubber bands at that side, and you're going to put it down. There. It's just as that easy, and just do it until the end. So that's why I tell you to hold the rubber band. And the last one, hook on top. There, hooked it. So now you're still not going to hook your borders up because you're going to place some more rubber bands. So you're going to replace another rubber band, another leather rubber band up. So wait for a minute, let me just push all down first. Okay, so now you're going to you're going to replace another rubber band, and then you're going to replace a leather rubber band on the ones which has a rubber band below. Okay, so wait, I'm so sorry. I've already finished placing all the rubber bands, so you might only need 1 rubber band, which also relates to your border color, and that's the only rubber band that you should have. Now we can finally hook our borders. Okay, so you're going inside the triple cat band, and then grabbing your border color up and hooking at the other peg. Okay, so you're just going to go inside, grabbing that. Okay, so you might also want to hold your rubber bands down because it's harder when it all falls, because you will something like repeat all again, something like that. Okay, so I know it's quite hard for you to watch this. There. Then you're just going to hook it until the end. And then now, you're just going to hook this one. There's nothing blocking you, so you might have no problem. There. And then you're going back to the start. And then hooking it like this. until the end. And then as usual, go in. Nothing's blocking you, no problem, and just hold it. There. So I know when you hold this from there, it wouldn't look like a teardrop. It's like that. So now, since you have finished your own bracelet, you're going to take your part of the border color. You're going to go through one. You're going to go through everything. All of the rubber bands. I'm going to grab. And then, you don't need to grab anything. But now, you can take it all off. Gently. Okay, let me just give me time to take this out. Okay, since I've taken out my rainbow loom bracelet from my loom, it will look something like this. I know my pattern is not really so nice because I'm not really a good pattern chooser, you know. So now, you're going to grab one of your border colors. You're going to stretch it out like this. Then you're going to bring everything. You're going to bring everything there. Wait, wrong hand. Going to bring all of the rubber bands in one rubber band here, and then you're going to slot from here and then here. There. So you're going to leave your hook there aside and going to grab your loom again, or you may want to use your mini loom. So for the loom, when you are going to make an extension, you're just going to do the normal way like this. Like this until the end. But since I want to use this one, wait. Yeah, but if I want to use this one, you may want to follow your own routine. Okay, so first step, you're going to grab your hook back. Wait. Your hook back. And then you're going to grab one of the side that you've take and put it to this other peg. This other peg. And the other one. And the other one from this other peg. There. Like this. So first step, you're going to grab one color and going to place it on top of the other one. And then now, you're going to hook this bottom one up. This other one up. I chose this so that you can measure your own hands. So do that until your own hand fits you. Okay, so guys, I think this one fits my hand. So now you're going to grab your hook and you're going to grab one side, either this or this. I grab this and hook it to your other peg there, so that now you have two rubber bands, as you know, but it's still counted as one. And then now you're going to grab your SRC clip. So I'm going to use my C clip. I do not want to use any S clip because it will make it wider, which does not fit best. There. And now you're just going to seal it there. Then you're going to close it up like that and take it out like that. Now you're going to find your cat band, which I've already found it. And then you're going to put on the C-clip there. So it fits perfectly. There. So this is your DIY bracelet. Thanks for watching, and bye. Watch more tutorials of rainbow balloon making.